have got mobile veterinary units. In these mobile veterinary units, we go around the parks looking for naturally injured animals, treating them, and just setting them free to continue their own natural life. This is not necessarily on elephants and rhinos alone. It is with any other wild animals that have been found out there with any health problems. And once identified, we are conducted, and our mobile veterinary unit will either fly to the scene or drive to the scene to go and help treat the injured animals and immediately set them free to continue their own natural life after treatment. We also have anti-poaching teams, and these teams are mostly based in Savo. They will go around the parks looking for snares and desnaring them. The snares are the traps that are set in the parks, especially by the poachers and sometimes by the communities neighboring these areas, to get hold of these other tiny animals for game meat or for skin. And so anti-poaching teams will make sure that they put off all the snares from the parks. Will also help drive away the people that are burning charcoal in the park to ensure that the park is kept free and safe for all wild animals. We also have a dog unit that works together with our anti-poaching teams. They will make a follow-up. In case the signs of poachers identified, the dogs will assist and make sure that the poachers are caught in the long run. We also have an aerial surveillance, which is based within our conservation area, that will fly in the air, monitoring what is happening in the park. We also allow you to go down to Savo and see our big orphans. Our big orphans in Savo are not open to the public, strictly to those that have already sponsored an elephant in the nursery. Without permission letter from Angela Sheldrick, you will be directed on where to find the man at that time, so that you can enjoy some time with our big orphans in Savo, regardless of where your baby is. And so that is how we managed to get funds to help raise these baby elephants. It does not matter which elephant the one picks for them. This is because the money goes to all of them. But we insist that you pick on a name so that we can send you specific details of your particular elephant and general information of all the others that we've got in the nursery. You can adopt an elephant for yourself, or you can do it as a gift to somebody. And if you do it as a gift, then it is a gift recipient that will receive the updates every month. But if you do it for yourself, then it's you that will receive updates every month. Until after 1 year, we let you know so that you can decide if you want to renew it again or not. And so that is why it is important that after you've seen all the elephants that will have come before you, you make a choice of which one that you want to help support. And on your way out at the shop, where you did your entrance fee, we've got the forms for you to fill in so that you can get a certificate in the name of your elephant and walk back home a very lucky parent to a baby elephant.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, that's the view. I am not scared. Yeah. Okay, take it. Me, I can't hold. Ati Lahore pigeon. Hey, tunakaa vizuri pia huko. So guys, if you want to buy one, it's 30,000. 30,000. Tuchinjiwe sahi. Then
these are reverse wings portion.
They look beautiful, especially the black and the white ones. They look so nice.
Yeah. And if you look at them, you'll able even to know the male and female by looking their chest.
I can see one is green.
Yeah, the one with big chest.
With big chest is a male. Oh, nice. Okay.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn
Inakula nini?
Kuku na guinea pigs.
Sio ndio chakula mnailetea? Sio mtatoa pizza vitu kwa roho. In real life.
Kwa wao?
Kwa
wao kuna vitu mingi sana, alafu sasa ataenda tu kwa hapa.
Wow.
Akishakula. Kwa wao atakula monkeys, dogs, impalas.
Oh, that's so good. I hope I'm not going to 3 months time.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed. You need got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how.
The cheaters have decided to sleep, so we can't have a chat to them. Yeah, they're sleeping there, over there. I hope you can see it clearly. Guys, I don't know if I'm unlucky, but the lions are also they're sleeping. You can see them.
Sleep a lot.
They sleep a lot.
Yeah, you can sleep from 18 hours to 22 hours.
18 hours, 22 hours. Hey, they're sleeping. So, ule mwenye amelala peke yake? That lion?
It's a lioness. The rest
Oh, lioness. Oh. Yeah, so unfortunately we can't get to have a look at them. Yes, okay, we can just, I don't know. They are sleeping. Since it's my unlucky day, today is on a Thursday, so anyway, sawa tu. Haidhurusijasikia vibaya. So, this is Stedmark still. They have a play session for the kids. It's so nice. Yes, they have a heated swimming pool. Yes, we're just from the snake park. We've enjoyed everything. We weren't able to see the lions. And no, we weren't able to see them awake, but we saw them, they were sleeping. Yes, so far so good. Now we are headed to the restaurant. Yeah, just to see what Stedmark has to offer. But I can recommend this place anytime of the day you want to come chill out. Yeah, it's a very nice place. I just like it. It's so cool. Everything is refreshing. And the fact that you can have your kids playing around. Wow, that's so beautiful.
But if you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong.
So this is a floating restaurant. They have several. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and this is so cool. Yeah, I think this creativity is dope. So this place is the in thing. So far so good. I'm enjoying the trip. It's the day trip. Yeah. So we're waiting for our lunch. Yeah, I'm liking the environment. It's so nice. It's so chilled out. Yeah, so I recommend this place, guys. I recommend it again and again. Yeah, if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, keep sharing, keep commenting. Yes.